Tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can quickly create a displacement file for use in Photoshop CC, CS6, CS5, etc. Now first thing to do, I've just got this document here, I'm just going to quickly remove that and I'm going to show you how to use it with custom shapes. So I'm just going to go over to custom shape tool. Now I'm going to be using different greys, so there's some greys there and black, so it's quite handy to have the swatches palette open. If you can't see that, just go to Window and Swatches and then just set the colour that way, apply it as a pixel and just going to apply it like that. Now if you want to create slightly more interesting ones than that, of course that is a perfectly reasonable displacement file in itself, and I could just save it as a PSD file. Now I've already got a file name for it, so you can also go to Filter and Other and Offset, and it's a 600 by 600 document. I'm just going to offset it by -300 and 300 and wrap around. Click OK, and then I can add one in the centre. So it's basically still a seamless design. Now you don't have to have it as a seamless design. You can have the jarring effect of sort of cutting of the edges, but I prefer to have a nice seamless design. So just apply a few more, and there, and of course you can just quickly offset again. Now you can also rotate it, so you don't have to actually have that as a thing. Image and image rotation, maybe clockwise, so you can, let's say, create a bit more variant designs and just add some more there. Now it's still a seamless design, so now what I can do, just quickly save it as a PSD file. That's the key thing, PSD. So file, save as. It's Photoshop. Right, once you've actually done that, now just go over to a document and you can go to the filter and distort and use the displace. That's one option. Or you can say go into the filter gallery. It's available. For some weird reason it's not actually available there, so just going to go to 8-bit. So filter, yeah, filter gallery. Not certain why that was in 16-bit, but anyway, right, that's a, don't want that one. What I want is the glass. Now just go there, glass, and you see you've got some default ones, but there's also an option over here, so load texture. So once you do that, you can select that displace file, and then you've got the design added like that over on top. And you can change the smoothness as well as distortion effect. So click OK. Now if you want to actually do, obviously you can just create a number of different designs. You can maybe blur the center as well, so you could actually maybe create a more blur it up design. So I'm just going to select that inner part and go to Filter and Blur, Gaussian Blur, and click OK, selection, and again save it. Then go back to the image and just go to Filter again, and say Filter Gallery, that's one option, or maybe Distort and Displace. Now select the file. Unfortunately there's no preview, so let's click there, open, and there you have it. You've got a really weird distortion with a slight blur effect. You've got the thing, apply in a number of ways.